Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if network not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you're using mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to try to update your iPhone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install, and just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.